What's up, everybody? We're here at Hope City headquarters. This is our church, and this is my friend Owen Gray.
What's up?
We're gonna head out and get some footage and some new drone content for the opener video. Then we're celebrating a 10-year anniversary for the church. So we're gonna get some lunch, head into downtown Houston, and I think it's gonna be awesome. So thanks for watching. Okay, we just went to Chick-fil-A. Giving a hoot, not polluting. Here we go. It's funny how much littering bothers me. I think it's, as I'm getting older, littering is like a non-negotiable. If you litter, I will lose all respect for you. All right, my hands are freezing. My blood has gotten thinner since I've moved to Texas. But yeah, we just got the downtown scene. We actually got some great footage today, and got some clouds, but we actually got way more blue skies than I thought, which is cool. So got the Neo. Owen's getting some footage as well for his channel, and then also for the video, of course. So we're gonna head to Memorial Park, I think, up the road, and get the angle from angle of the city from the other spot. And they're over on that tree line also is a skate park. So we got some of the skate park, represent the skate or die crew, and yeah, we'll head on to the next spot. Okay, we're down here at the graffiti wall, I guess, graffiti area. We've got some sports centers around, sports complexes, whatever they're called. Let's see what we can find. Here we go. So it was a good day of filming. We got some really great content. If you are ever in the Houston, Texas area, make sure you stop by, say hello. You can check us out at hopecity.com. Without further ado, we give you the brand new opener.